Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by auditing files and choosing a clear plan. Combine into one workbook or merge data into a master sheet. Open a sample file to confirm header row and column names. Note inconsistent date formats and missing headers. Once done, create a working folder and copy all source files there so you never alter originals. Make sure to record sample row counts and a unique key column. This helps when you reconcile duplicates and map columns later. You now standardize and import. Use Power Query for most tasks. Connect to folder, filter by extension, and combine binaries, promote headers, and set data types. If scripting, loop each file, read sheet, rename columns to match master schema, and coerce dates to YIMMDD. Once consistent, append tables rather than copy-paste. This preserves types and refreshability. Make sure to handle blank rows and trim whitespace. This avoids phantom mismatches when you later deduplicate and validate totals. You finish by validating and saving a master file. Run deduplication using the unique key, then reconcile row counts and sums with source totals. Create checksum or hash columns for quick integrity checks. Once satisfied, load the master to a new workbook and save a timestamped backup. If something goes wrong, isolate the problem file and inspect encoding, date locale, hidden sheets, or merged cells. These are common culprits. Finally, document the steps so you, or someone else, can repeat the process reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.